Pelican remote area lighting systems are portable LED spotlights and tripod lights for a complete lighting solution. The 9470 and 9490 are remote area lighting systems equipped with Bluetooth capability, allowing you to operate the lights via the Pelican RALS app. The 9490 generates up to 6,000 lumens on high with a runtime of 24 hours on low. The light features a mast pole that locks into multiple positions and a pivoting light head that rotates 340 degrees. The mast extension pole deploys to 6 feet. The 9470 generates up to 24,000 lumens on high with a runtime of 24 hours on low. The light features 4 headlamps that telescope over 6 feet, with 12 LEDs in each head generating 6,000 lumens. The light includes a retractable pull handle and heavy-duty polyurethane wheels. The 9460 generates up to 12,000 lumens on high with a runtime of 24 hours on low. The light features 2 headlamps with 6 LEDs in each head. The 9440 generates 5,300 lumens on high with a runtime of 8 hours on low. The light is compact and portable and can be deployed in seconds by lifting the red deployment handle. To collapse the light, lift the body and red handle to lock the legs in place. The light head is attached to a double extension mast that deploys to 7 feet. The newly upgraded Pelican 9440 and 9460 now offer Bluetooth remote activation with variable light control. Pelican's Bluetooth app can control multiple units, but only operate one at a time. The app is compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch only. To download the RALS app, visit the App Store and search for Pelican RALS. The first 4 digits are your light's model number. You can locate your light using the remaining digits, which are your unique serial number. By selecting a discovered lighting system, the app will connect to the light and the device will appear under the connected heading on the app screen. The Bluetooth logo on the screen will turn from white to blue. Once connected, the default setting is always set to off. To switch the light on, you can either press the on-off toggle on the app screen or move the intensity slider toward the right until you reach your desired light intensity. The app works in conjunction with the keypad screen on your light. As you adjust the slider on the app screen, the remaining runtime also adjusts on the keypad screen. The app will remain connected until you either close the app or go out of range. At which point, the Bluetooth logo on the light screen will turn from blue to white. You can override the app control by operating the light's keypad directly. Visit our website for the full line of Pelican RALS lights.